Fruit waxing machine applies a thin layer of wax to fruits, improving their appearance, shelf life, and protection. Livestock feed mixer is an equipment used to blend and mix different feed ingredients for livestock, ensuring balanced nutrition. Industrial ultraviolet curing system, a machine that utilizes UV light to cure or harden coatings, adhesives, or inks in a rapid and efficient manner. Automatic sprinkler system is the irrigation system with sprinkler heads that distribute water over crops in a controlled and efficient manner. Industrial battery testing equipment, devices used for analyzing and testing the performance and characteristics of batteries, ensuring quality control and reliability. Silage baler is a machine that compresses and wraps fresh forage or crop residues into bales for storage and animal feed. Planting bed former prepares planting beds by shaping and leveling the soil, creating an optimal environment for seeding establishment. Industrial dispensing system, a machine that accurately dispenses fluids, adhesives, or coatings in manufacturing or assembly operations. Industrial electroplating equipment, machinery used for depositing a layer of metal onto objects through electroplating processes, often for decorative or protective purposes. Crop yield monitor, technology that measures and records crop yields during harvesting, providing valuable data for yield mapping and analysis. Livestock manure management system for collecting, storing, and processing animal waste for efficient utilization or disposal. Fruit juice extractor, machine that extracts juice from fruits, separating the liquid from pulp and seeds. Grain dryer is an equipment used to remove moisture from harvested grains to prevent spoilage and maintain quality during storage. GPS-guided sprays, the Picasso of pesticides, painting fields with precision, keeping bugs at bay. Industrial batch reactor, a vessel used for carrying out chemical reactions on a large scale, typically in batches or sequential processes. Plant disease detection system is the technology that uses imaging or sensing techniques to identify and monitor diseases in plants, aiding in early detection and treatment.
With data captured from each field and connected to predictive analysis,
Livestock waste treatment system is an equipment or process that treat and manage animal waste, minimizing environmental impact and generating energy or fertilizer. Industrial filtration system, equipment designed to remove impurities or separate solids from liquids or gases in industrial processes. Industrial vibratory feeder, a device that transports and dispenses bulk materials in a controlled manner using vibrations. Mulching machine spreads mulch materials over the soil surface to conserve moisture, control weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Livestock watering system, infrastructure or equipment that provides a continuous and controlled water supply to livestock in pastures or barns. Farm management software, digital tools and applications that assist farmers in planning, record keeping, and decision-making for efficient farm operations.
Yards, and we're using the Gallagher system, the TWR system with the HR5 reader.
Space elevator, a theoretical structure that connects Earth's surface to space, providing a means for efficient and cost-effective transportation of people and cargo into space. Soil erosion control system measures and techniques implemented to prevent or minimize soil erosion, such as contour plowing, terracing, or vegetation cover. Fertilizer blending system used to mix and blend different types of fertilizers to create customized nutrient formulations for specific crops and soil conditions. Smart Farm Weather Station is an automated weather monitoring system that collects and analyzes data on temperature, humidity, rainfall, and other meteorological parameters to optimize farming decisions. Biomass power plant, a facility that generates electricity by burning agricultural residues such as crop residues or animal waste as a renewable energy source.